to the captivating world of the teaching profession, where educators devote themselves in cultivating knowledge and igniting the sparks of learning.
Teaching is a multifaceted profession that encompasses various roles and responsibilities. Effective teachers serve as facilitators, mentors, evaluators, and motivators, guiding their students towards academic and personal growth.
What is an effective teacher? So we may have different understanding or different definition of what is an effective teacher. But for me, an effective teacher has 3 characteristics. Number 1, he or she can demonstrate solid expertise in his subject matter. So dapat alam niya kung ano ang itinuturo niya. Number 2, he or she can implement various teaching and learning strategies or pedagogies which primarily depends on the learner needs. So kung ano yung kailangan or yung kakayahan ng estudyante, dun niya i-depend kung ano ang kanyang magiging strategy sa teaching and learning process. And number 3, he or she must welcome self-improvement so he can cope up with the diverse and ever-changing needs of society. So sabi nga ang curriculum natin is dynamic. So it is ever-changing. Aside from solid expertise in the subject matter and familiarity with teaching and learning pedagogies, there are also personal traits that an effective teacher must practice. Based on experience, an effective teacher must be empathic, he must be patient, and must exhibit strong communication skills because these are essential personal traits so we can build a good link between us as teachers and the student. So as an effective teacher, we must create a supportive and inclusive environment where students feel valued and being encouraged to explore their potentials.
One of the greatest challenges faced by teachers is meeting the diverse needs of their students. Every learner is unique, with different learning styles, abilities, and backgrounds.
Good day, I'm Bianca Bunyog Burgos, teacher from Balang National High School. Giving differentiated instructions and providing personalized classroom learning experience are essential to ensure the success of the teaching-learning process. It increases students' engagement and it requires flexibility and willingness to adapt various teaching strategies. Hence, it grants more creativity for the teachers in delivering their lesson.
Teachers understand the importance of continuous professional development to stay abreast of research, educational trends, and innovative teaching methods.
Professional development helps teachers refine their teaching practice and discover new approaches. It allows them to grow as an educator and provide their students with the best possible learning experience.
The impact of teachers extend far beyond the classroom walls, shaping and fostering lifelong learners.
My teacher believed in me and pushed me to achieve my goals. They taught me not just the subject matter, but also valuable life skills and the importance of resilience.
Teachers create a safe space where we can explore, question, and grow. They inspire us to think critically and develop a thirst for knowledge.
Teachers are the architects of a brighter future. Through their dedication, knowledge, and unwavering commitment, they transform lives and give impact to the society.
All the passionate and dedicated teachers, thank you for your tireless efforts in shaping minds and fostering a love for learning.